So I wanted to do a unboxing review of this watch. I'm a watch guy. My watches tend to be automatics and more dressy. I wanted something just cheap to bang around in, and just got this in today. So we'll see what we get. I like doing these unboxing videos just to show you what you get if you order it. So a little catalog from the seller. It's also the directions on how to set the watch. Pretty nice case. I'm actually kind of surprised for the price that it even came with any kind of case. And here's the watch. Let's see if I can get my... You know, it's amazing. I had a Victorinox watch that I sent back to Amazon because the second hands wouldn't line up. And I paid like $350 for it. And this guy said, hey, for $350, you're expecting too much, that a lot of times the hands don't match up. Well, this watch was less than $20. And look at the hands. They hit the markers exactly on the marker. So that's pretty impressive. It's weird. The watch actually feels like a Luminox that I had not too long ago. The band is nice. Feels good. Pretty soft. Again, it actually reminds me of opening up the Luminox I had. So I will do a lume test. Let's see. I'm not sure if those markers actually lume or not, but we can check that out here in a second. Pretty nice. Okay, so I've got my I've got this watch laying next to what I consider the best lume watch that I have, and that's the Seiko Monster 2nd generation. So let's take a look and see if this other watch has lume, and if so, how does it compare to the Seiko Monster? I'm gonna cut off the lights, if you'll bear with me. And if you don't have one yet and you're a lume guy like me, you got to get an infrared flashlight. That's what I'm using right here. That infrared flashlight really charges lume well. A regular flashlight will work as well, but infrared works really good. Wow, that's pretty impressive. I mean, obviously, the Seiko Monster's king as far as lume goes. But man, this other watch, you know, for the price, I'm even surprised that it has lume hands. And I mean, they're very legible. I'm using my iPhone here to record, and you can see them just fine. Obviously, if you're a lume guy, Seiko's going to be my recommendation. But did want to show that this watch also has lume on the hands. One final thing I was going to show that I should have shown earlier. There's a black spot in there. It's got a plastic covering the crystal. Which is a nice touch, especially for the price. It comes very well packaged for the price, but I did want to show the case back. I'm not sure if you can see it with my phone. It's got the company logo. It's also got a Japanese movement, which I was a little bit surprised, and it states it's limited edition. For this price, I just assumed it would be made in China, Chinese movement, but it's actually a Japan movement. So I'm pretty impressed for the price. What do you expect? I tell you, I've had a Luminox before. This feels exactly like the Luminox that I had. It's just amazing. Anyway, highly recommend it. Hope the video helped. Thanks.